Topic of our lesson is inertia. So Galileo observed that it is easy to move or stop light objects than heavier ones. Heavier objects are difficult to move or if moving then difficult to stop. Newton concluded that every body resists to change in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line. He called this property of matter as inertia. He related the inertia of body with its mass. Greater is the mass of a body, greater is its inertia. For example, cut a strip of paper, place it on the table. Stick a few coins at its one end as shown in the figure. Pull out the paper strips under the coins with a jerk. Do you succeed in pulling out the paper strips under the stakes coins without letting them to fall? Why do the coins remain staked on pulling out the paper strip quickly under the stakes? That is due to the inertia. So we can also take an example from our daily life. When a bus takes a sharp turns, passengers fall in the outward direction. It is due to the inertia that they want to continue their motion in a straight line and thus fall outward. So, inertia of a body is its property due to it which it resists any change in its state of rest or motion. Again, inertia of a body is its property due to which it resists any change in its state of rest of motion is called inertia. Understand the concept of inertia. So inertia is also playing a great role in our daily lives, like I told you about inertia. The next topic of our lesson is momentum. Momentum of a body is the quantity of motion it possesses due to its mass and velocity. The momentum of body is given by the product of its mass and velocity v. So P show the momentum. Momentum denoted by P and equal to product of mass and velocity. M mean mass and V mean velocity. So momentum is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is kg meter per second. The momentum depend on the velocity and the mass. For example, you have observed a bullet has very small inertia due to its small mass. But why does it impact so strong when it is fired from the gun? You have noticed that bullet is very small. It means its mass is very small. But when it is fired from the gun, its velocity become very high. So its impact is very strong. So that its result is that mass and velocity